if it's 7.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, okay.
Greetings, my ladies.
It's fun.
I can see you people are very happy and you enjoy yourselves. But I'm a very good player of this game. Can I join?
Yes.
You are very good. I will love it. Oh, this game is very, very interesting.
Should I do it?
Yes, you all love it. As you love it, I can play very well. What did they think they are doing? Because I said I'm a very good player and I can perform. I saw you people happy enjoying yourselves. Only to join you and you have left me. Well, then I have to also go. So also leave it for you.
Agrika, my son.
Mama,
Please come, let me have a word with you.
Mama, let me just finish with this small lifting and come.
It's important, so please come.
Mama.
Oh, you are tired. You know, Agrika, I want you to marry Abner.
Mama, this same issue again. Mama, but I've told you already, it's Bisa. I just want to marry Mama.
Please, because of her father, that's why I said marry Abner. Abner is the right person for you.
Mama, no. Mama, see, not that I'm trying to be disrespectful, Mama, but Mama, you need to understand me.
Understand what?
That is Bisa I love. Only Bisa, no one else, Mama. Me, I don't want to marry anybody apart from...
Please, marry Abner for me, eh? Abner is a good one. Please, I'm begging you.
Mama, see, me, I've told you already. I've made up my mind already. I'm not changing. It's just Bisa. It's just Bisa I want to marry, Mama.
Be careful. Oh. Be careful. Do you want me to die? Eh? I'm begging you. Abner is the right person for you. Eh?
Mama, see, me, can I go and continue with what I was doing? Mama, see, me, if I will not marry Bisa, me, I'll run away from this.
Run away? Do you want me to die? Eh? If you want me to die, then go. If you are coming, then bring the coffin to come and bury me. Because you won't come and meet me alive.
Mama,
so if you want me to die, you just leave me and go.
Mama, see, Mama, see. It's not that, Mama. Maybe I'm trying to be stubborn. Mama, you need to understand me, Mama. Please now. Mama, Bisa is the only one I want to marry. Mama, please, you need to understand me.
Understand what? Me. I want Abner. I want you to marry Abner. You are always tell me, Bisa, I want, Bisa, I want. Do you know what is good for you? Are you going?
Mama, I'm going to farm.
Agrika, you kill me one day. Ah. Oh.
Why is it taking you centuries to talk to me about feeding me?
Oh, why can't you let me be? Abolo, I've told you I will not feed you.
It's a must. It's a must.
I will not feed you.
Go your way. Mind you, I will teach you lesson.
Why can't you let me be?
I said put food on my table. You're a good hunter. Good farmer.
I've already told you I cannot
find your way out of my life.
Let me, I'm going.
I will teach you lesson. Minyabu.
Mama, Mama, you are here and I've been looking for you. And I've been looking for you all around. Mama, why are you not feeling well?
No, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Mama, Mama, anyway, me, I'm hungry. Why did you cook for me?
Nothing. Just go and prepare something.
Mama, you didn't cook anything for me to eat. Okay, so just go and cook for me now.
Go and prepare something for yourself.
Mama, see me, my stomach is doing me this one. You understand? I'm hungry. Anyway, should I leave you some?
No.
Okay. Aha, Mama. Mama, please, the salt. Where will I find the salt?
It's here. Here.
Mama. Then let me take it. Mama. You say the thing is, yeah, Mama, I'm
go,
taking
go,
it.
go.
Yeah. Mama, see, don't do and die for me. Oh. You know you're my only mother. If you are sick, tell me, I'll find you medicine. No.
Elder, you see, this is the reason why I came. I came to, for us to reason and think about how we can have a festival and then kinship in the kingdom. My great-grandfather once told me about the kinship and the festival. Since I was born to this kingdom, Elder Ekpe, I have never witnessed a celebration in my entire life before. You being an elder, you have to sleep over this and think about this very carefully, so that at least we can have entertainment, drumming and dancing and singing. Elder, please.
Listen to me. The eye has not spoken. It has not whispered to me yet. No one should worry. No one should push us to do what will be a calamity on us.
Elder Ekpe, I understand where you're coming from. Must everything be from the eyes of the gods? Or from this person and from that person? You are the elder of this kingdom.
Don't you know that it is the eye that has kept us all these years? Don't you also know that it is the eye that has protected us all these years? Don't you know that it is the eye that brought us from where we were up to this village?
Oh, Elder, that is the same thing that our great-grandfather said. We were once celebrating all this kinship and then festival, at least so that the young ones, we can be doing drumming and
The
dancing.
eye has not spoken.
Elder,
If you
think
want
about this.
any other thing, be careful. Should anyone think of anything, that person should be careful, because the eye does not close his eye. The eyes is always open.
What about the festival? The ghosts must open their eyes on the festival too. Hey!
You don't know what you're saying. Leave that one to the eye.
That is not what you think, oh. Hey. Did I say anything wrong? Oh, Ada! Ada! Hey!
Guys, I brought you some water.
Water.
Take.
Water.
Take. Why? Do you guys think I'm going to kill you? I'm just here to help you guys.
Why should we trust you?
You guys can count on me. I'm just helping you guys.
Water.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll see you guys later, okay?
Come on, free us from here.
Great gods of my father's land! I was with you. Is it for the enemies that enter the ground? And couldn't harm us? Oh. Thank you, God of the land. Hey! 9. God of the land. I found our enemies caged, stranded. They never dressed like we. Oh, look away. Jo, 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 jo. Huh? Jack, 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 jack. I worship thee. Oh my.
Kanzo. Kanzo. How long are we going to be here? You know we need to get back to our village as soon as possible.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I have a plan. Yes, we will use the lady that came to give us the water.
And do you think she's going to help us?
Yes. All we need to do is to calm down and convince her. Don't worry. She will free us.
If you say so.
Just relax, calm down and be a man. And don't be a woman. Yes.
Ozu, don't tell me you're destroying the thing again.
I'm fixing it.
Fixing what?
Hey, Akrika, I was thinking about this. The other time we went to Odumje's house, the demands he was asking you before you can marry his daughter. What do you think about it?
You see, I look to my left and to my right. See, to be honest, if you ask me personally, I will tell you, Odumja, he's mad. In fact, he's crazy.
See, that man doesn't want you to marry his daughter. Oh.
I mean, how does he expect me to get the venom of a cobra?
And even what baffles me, he said you should bring a liver of a crocodile.
Why does he want me to die?
Have you seen that before?
Let's ask him himself. Has he himself seen some before?
Akrika, to me, you have to forget about that girl. In fact, look, like there are nice girls in this village. Why won't you just look for one? Even that girl, Amma. That girl is dying to be with you. Why won't you give her a chance?
You see, Ozu, these are matters of the heart. You see, my heart belongs to Bisa, and Bisa's heart belongs to me.
You are not serious. Your heart belongs to... See, upon everything that man has done to you, you are still chasing his daughter.
Listen. For me, I'm safe. If maybe you think you are in love with Amma, you know now, I'm your friend. Just tell me. I'll help you. I'll help you. Just tell me.
Stop fooling. Stop fooling.
Am I fooling?
You don't be careful. That man will eliminate you in this world.
What are you doing? Move. You can't do anything. I'm not scared of you. Move. I'm not scared of you. You can't kill me. Move. Oh no.
So let's finish him here.
No. Don't kill me. Please don't kill me. No, you can't do this to me. Move.
Let's finish him here.
Wait.
Let's finish him here.
Oh, please don't kill me. Please.
Today marks your end.
Please don't kill me like a woman.
Now throw him inside out. Throw him.
Die.
Rest in peace.
Let's go.
Good man.
Let's go.
Come to our village to come and
Africa.
destroy us.
Let's move. This one is it.
It is done. It is done. Ancestors, you are good.
Better. Better. See. Now, Kanzo is no more with us. The guys came for Kanzo, and we are still here. I know, Kissy. How can we free ourselves? You know the gods of our land can never send in on this journey and leave us to die on an unknown land. But Kanzo is no more here with us. You have to stay strong. The gods are wise. Yes, the gods are wise.
Leave me alone.
Let's go. Quiet.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Wait.
Please.
Listen, we are not going to harm you. Stay cool. We are not going to harm you.
Okay.
Cool down. Relax. We want you to do one thing for us. Swear to us. In fact, swear that you will not let anybody, even ants, hear that you are the one that free us.
Okay.
And swear to us that no one will know our whereabouts.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yes.
Swear.
I swear.
All right, go. Wait. You don't trust humans that way. True. So, we came from this side. Let's take this way. Let's go.
Why are you following me? I warn you. Return.
I don't go return.
I said you should stop following me.
I told that I don't go return.
Aren't you the one who said you don't know me? So why are you following me?
Don't tell me like that.
I said you should stop following me.
I will follow you. Hey! Abomination! Fighting at this hour of the night?
Talk to him, oh. Talk to him.
Hold it. You've all been warned not to stay out late. And you are here disturbing the peace of the town and the gods. Now, whatever issue you have, you can solve it in the morning. Now you, take this route. Go back from where you are coming from.
Tell him to stop following me.
Go. You to go the other way before you go and continue. Go the other way. An abomination. Disturbing the sleep of the gods.
Edda. Edda, good evening.
Good evening.
Are you fine?
I am fine.
Thank you.
Hey. You come back here. What kind of training have you been giving to that nincompoop sister of yours?
Hi.
Eh? What kind of training have you been giving to that nyati sister of yours? That small girl? Eh? What kind of training have you been giving to her?
What my sister has done? Has my sister anything?
Haven't you noticed that when she was passing, she saw the ekpe and she couldn't even think of greeting me?
Hi! Oh. Edekpe, on behalf of my sister, I'm sorry.
You are sorry?
Hi!
You have to be careful.
Hi.
You have to be careful and train her well. How can she see a whole ekpe and just pass?
Hi! Edekpe, please forgive me. See, my sister don't have sense. She doesn't have that thing in the brain. See, sometimes her brain, it goes 360 and then come back like this. Then, what please? I said to my sister, anytime you see a deck, say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or anybody you see around. Just at least give that person a respect and then greet everybody. You can even go around all the community, the village, and greet everybody. This is the training I've been giving my sister. Sorry, forgive my sister. Hey, thank you.
Hey, put some sense into her head.
Thank you.
Once she doesn't have it, try and put some sense into her head. What is this? We can't have such girls in the community. Ah. Hmm.
Great ancestors. We have been depending on you all these years, and you have never disappointed us. Why now? Look at how our people are helplessly lying on the floor, dead. I have no one to speak on now. Why have you people remained silent? Huh? I wish you people were to shake yourself and let the whole community knows that we have depended on you all our years. What is happening? What is happening?